Hello, hello, hello. Did you miss me? Well, I am back and I am back to stay. So, um, I have a video and it is a room refresh. So, it's an updated room refresh, and I have from the beginning all the way to the end that I filmed a couple of months ago, and now I'm back again today with the room refresh. I've added some stuff, and then I have some stuff from Black Friday in here also. So let's jump right in. Okay, so my first purchase is these Parker Collection sheets. They're 1200 thread count and they're king size. So me and the hubby were laying in the bed, lounging, watching the Thanksgiving parade, and Macy's commercial popped up, and they announced that they had these 1200 sheet count sheets for, 1200 thread count sheets for $29.99. I sat straight up in the bed. I said, okay, I have got to order these just to see how they feel. $29.99 for 1200 thread count. I said, oh my gosh, I got to order these. So I ordered one, and I'm going to open them and then tell you guys how they feel. What they feel like, how they wear, how they wash, all the goodies. Alright guys, here it is, my 2020 updated room refresh. So, as you can see, this is the bed. It's the same thing. And those sheets that I purchased for Black Friday, those sheets are amazing. They're soft. They're not that thick, but they are soft. They wash well. There's no shedding, no beading, or anything like that. So this is my husband's side of the bed. As you can see, he is very neat and minimal. And this is some of the art, the wall art that I put up. That picture right there. I got those little canvas pieces from Dollar Tree, of course. That is some bamboo that I got from Lowe's on clearance for $1 that has been thriving. And the glass piece, I think I purchased from Ross. And the planter slash vase looking thing, I don't remember where I got that one from. So my side of the bed, let's see, what did I do new? I purchased that warmer, and I have some Pure One oil in there. It smells amazing. Here I have my little Boss Babe sign and my Boss Babe pen that is from my business. And then this one says Boss Babe also. That is from the business that I have. You guys know I am a Mary Kay Boss Babe. So that is some of the prizes that I've earned from my director. Just a few that I keep upstairs in my bedroom just to remind me to get it together. Keep it that way. All right. So, and this is some wall art that I put on my side of the bed. And as you guys can see, all these colors go well together. The colors in those vases with the colors in that picture and those in that vase also. So, and then that is our television, and this is my dresser. I had a mirror up here. We took that down and replaced it. We put that in another room, and we just have this here. I want to say that vase came from Ross. I purchased those glass right there. Those, I think I got those from Goodwill. And I purchased these right here from Burlington. I purchased this right here from Dollar Tree. I don't remember where this little candy dish came from. And we just used this right here for a remote control holder. I got that from Pier 1. That's the ugly ADT thing. And this was a video remake that I got from YouTube. Everybody was making those from tree branches. So yeah, that is me and the hubby. A New Edition concert for my birthday. And this is my room refresh 2020 quarantine. I hope you like the way the room came out. I am loving that little pop of pink color right there. Yes, and that is the bed, and we have this rug right here. So guys, I will be bringing you more videos this time. I promise to be consistent and not run away again. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love, love, love to have you as a subscriber. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button so you can be notified when I premiere new videos. And until I see you in the next video, you know what it is. Peace. Talk to y'all soon.